Hello everybody, welcome to the Easter egg hunt. So don't skip the video because there's a lot of fun planned in this video. And if you're new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And let's get started. So at the helicopter, so you guys could see that helicopter, right? That's the helicopter that's dropping the eggs right now. If you guys could see the eggs are getting dropped. And then the helicopter will drop the eggs, but the helicopter first drop the eggs, and then we got to go and pick them up. So now my brother's picking these up. Can I tell you guys a secret? There's actually nothing in those eggs. Those eggs are like tokens for the prizes. So if you give the eggs, you could actually collect a prize. Isn't that very cool? I think that's cool. So you guys could see if you guys could see the colors. Yeah, these eggs are the orange and purple, blue. Yeah, you have to sort the colors out, or if you don't want to sort it, there will be a little spot to dump all your eggs out. So they gave us the candy. And that's where we collect the prize. And these are, if you guys know the candy peep, yeah, the candy peep what some people put on Halloween. So me and my brother are taking a photo with hanging with my peeps. So this is the candy blast. So they basically just launch the candy out to the air, and we have to collect all of the candy. Isn't that pretty cool? If you guys did, oh my god, look at it. Now everybody's collecting it. I couldn't get that much, but I got a candy that it was just a gummy cheeseburger. Kind of cool. I mean, it's so cool to get a gummy cheeseburger. Oh my god. And this gotta be the this gotta be the favorite part of all of this. So they basically just push you off the slide, and it's so cool. And these are the games. I played it, but I didn't win a single time. Those are kind of hard. brother jumping on this bouncy beam. It's just like a trampoline, but a little harder. Like there's me over there. So that's the big kids. That's the big kids section. See me jumping. Oh my god. I'm kind of scared seeing this. And this is the little kid section. Like see my brother jumping on there. Guys, let's all go on a hayride. So this is all a tulip garden and a strawberry farm. It's so cool, right? Let's get on.
Alright y'all, here at the start of this ride, there is a little bit of a pull in the tractor, and it's about to happen, y'all. Okay. Oh, if you guys are wanting to see the candy cannon, that's saying before I interrupted myself.
Guys, so the hayride was super fun, but by the way, we covered a strawberry farm and a tulip farm too. Look at the strawberries, they are so beautiful, and the tulips too. Guys, so we're done with the hayride. I hope you enjoyed it with us. Thanks for watching.